Hey fan collectors, this is a Hunter summer breeze ceiling fan, and this is in the living room of the Hudzinski's house, and it has 5 blades and 3 lights, and there are 3 lights inside the glass bowl, and this is the fan I'm gonna get when I graduate 2 years later. And I learned from my friend, Miss Hudzinski, that her husband loves the fan like me, and she hates the fan, and it gives a lot. This is in the living room, as I just mentioned, and it gives a lot cooler air. And I'll talk to you later, fan collectors. Bye.